Mgbakwu community in Oka North local government area has conducted town union election to determine the leaders who will pilot its affairs for the next 4 years. The election took place at Mgbakwu Central School Field. We have details from our studio.
The election conducted through option A4 saw the emergence of Mr. Basil Nwokeoma from Oturunonaga village as the new President General, having secured the majority of votes cast. The outcome stirred discontent among other contestants, prompting calls for cancellation. Earlier, while addressing the electorate, Mr. Babuchi Obele, the representative of the Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Mr. Tony Collins Nwabwanne, emphasized the need for peaceful conduct and warned against non-indigenous interference to ensure smooth election. In his valedictory speech, the immediate past President General, Chief Edwin Udefne, expressed his commitment to supporting the incoming leadership and called for concerted efforts in moving the community forward. However, a notable stance emerged from a majority of the stakeholders and past President Generals, including Chief Abel Anaso, Chief Mweze Okafor, and Chief Ugochukwu Yamado, who asserted that it is the turn of Oturunonaga village to present candidates for the presidential election, as has been the tradition.
The people we know is Oturunonaga, and they are these people here. Yes, it's now their turn. My own advice, let Mgbakwu people leave Nwokeoma and Oturunonaga to avoid the problem.
And we suppose Oturunonaga. I don't know Oturunonaga. I want to know which is how to suppose you when I can pastor or send a yamanje, which is from Uro to Lango. You have to go now. Then only on a gaputa, when you know about tableau for village. So that is the top of my age.
The election process was closely observed by government officials, with the Transition Committee Chairman of Oka North Local Government Area, Mr. Tangod Anago, also in attendance.